What's going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I have some flour here and I am going to be making some saltfish fritters, Jamaican style, but I want to make things a little bit healthy today. So I have 1 cup of wheat flour, and I added 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour to the wheat flour. So this is going to be a little bit different than traditional saltfish fritters, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season our flour, and I already have the saltfish. I boiled the saltfish because I need to get some of the salt out. So I boiled it and I have it soaking in some fresh water. So we're gonna go ahead now and season our flour. So goodies, I'm just adding a little bit of Maggi chicken seasoning, not too much because this is salty and the saltfish is salty. I'm adding a little bit of garlic pepper powder, a little bit of onion powder, and as I said, not much. And then you just wanna combine this. I'm not adding any salt or anything like that because remember, we already have the saltfish going in there. So now I'm going to cut up some scallions and some thyme. Yes, I put scallion and thyme in my fritters. So let's go cut some scallion and some thyme. Okay, goodies, so cut up the scallions, green onions, whatever you have. And I removed the leaves. Try to remove the leaves from the thyme. You don't want to have those thick stems into your batter. So we're gonna just combine this, and then we're gonna add water. We're gonna add our saltfish and make a nice thick batter. I'm gonna show you the consistency of the batter that you need to have, okay, to get perfect fry fritters. All right, so let's add our saltfish, and you want to make sure that your saltfish is not too salty because you already added some seasoning. So just pick them up nice and fine and add them to the flour like this. Beautiful. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some water. Okay, good. So we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna add our water. I'm adding 1 cup first and mix this in and see the consistency. Then I'll add some more. So I added some more water. So about 1.5 cups. So this is the consistency. That's the consistency I am looking for. As you can see. So now we're going to put some oil in our frying pan and we're going to fry these. I'm just going to use this spoon to drop them. So I'm just going to drop them like this. Just like that. So just warming up the oil and then we're going to fry, okay? So our oil is ready. See, I drop a little one right here just to check the oil. Lord, please do not judge my frying pan. I love this frying pan and I'm not throwing it out. I have this for many years. Okay, all right, let's throw dumplings in. You want to turn down your stove if it's too high. I don't want to burn up our fritters. So you can drop these at any size. So I'm doing about that size. So we're just gonna continue dropping them like this. As I said, turn on your stove so they can soak. Alright. I'm gonna move these around so I can drop another one. Another one there. Right there. And drop another one one at the side right here. There. So just leave them to fry. We want these to be nice and golden on one side. Then we can turn it over on the other side. So both sides are nice and golden. Alright, stay tuned. So this is what they're looking like so far. Still not ready yet, halfway there. So I just flip these over. As you can see, one side get a nice little color already. I want to make sure you have a little crisp as well. Okay? Alright. So when they're nice and golden like this is how we want them. So I'm going to remove them. So, you know, some people like them a little darker. It all depends on what you like. But this is good for me. Look at that. Beautiful. So let's remove these from the pot. So this is what they're looking like. And we're just gonna fry the rest. I've already dropped them into the pot. So frying the rest of these. Nice and golden. See how beautiful they look? Yes, this is what we're looking for. Okay? So I just turn these ones over. I'm going to turn them over again. So that's what I do sometimes. Just keep flipping them. Don't want them to fry on one side for too long. Okay, goodies. So this is what our fritters. They are looking beautiful, nice and golden brown. I have one set leaf to fry. And then that's it. You can eat this just as it is because it has saltfish in it and it's well seasoned. Or you can fry up a tin mackerel, ackee saltfish, callaloo. Like this can go with so much stuff. People even fry an egg, frankfurter, bacon, whatever. Or as I say, I'm going to eat this just as it is because it has the saltfish and it is well seasoned. But yeah, feel free to pair it with whatever you want to pair it with. So let me know if you will be trying out my Jamaican saltfish fritters. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you're new here, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Like the video and share the video, my friends. Leave me a comment. Alright, until next time, may the good Lord bless you and walk good.